I broke this screw while tightening it, and I just tightened it too far. For a while now, I have wanted to learn how to maintain my own bike. I have usually done only the chain maintenance, cleaning, adding certain parts. But this time I wanted to learn how to change oil to this Honda CRF 300. And I thought it would be simple. I did watch tutorial for it, and it looked simple enough. I broke this screw while tightening it, and I just tightened it too far. And for a moment I just froze. I didn't know what to do. So ended up calling to my husband and asking what we should do. And he said that he can get the broken part off, and probably we will have replacement screws like these in a garage.
Katos.
Mitä?
Joo, tämäkin on kärsinyt tää. No niin, tämähän lähti helposti pois tää ruuvi täältä näin. Nyt näkyy alarajassa jo. No, nyt hävisi kaikki öljy. Se täytyy hetken aikaa, no lisätään vielä ja annetaan se seisoa vähän aikaa. Niin sitten.
Joo. Calling for my husband and asking for help wasn't easy to me. Not because he wouldn't help or it would be hard to confess that I messed up, but because I wanted to do this by myself. I wanted to show myself that I can do it. And I thought I got it. But I guess the learning is in the details, and I didn't understand them well enough. Yeah, well, we went through it together, and he showed me how to do it properly. Maybe next time I can do it by myself. I think learning is messy, it's not clean, and it's also teamwork. Sometimes I have to do these things alone because men in my life don't know how to keep their hands off from what I'm doing. They want to do it by themselves because they've done it so many times before. But I want to learn. Want to understand my bike better. I want to be a better motorcycle owner, I think.